Hello everyone, I'm Domenic Serra from PDR Canada. I'm here today to talk to you about PDR and taking up a trade in paintless dent removal. I can tell you owning your own business offers a lot of flexibility. You are your own boss. You book your schedule. If you would like to work a lot, you book a lot. If you would like to take some time off, take some time off. Owning your own business offers you that flexibility. Learning paintless dent removal can get you on that road. Here at PDR Canada, we have the technology and the tools to get you where you need to be in the paintless dent repair industry. So when you're ready to chat about paintless dent repair and be your own boss and be able to take charge of your life, please reach out to me or anyone on our team and give us a call. And until then, guys, you know what? Have a great day. Talk to you soon.